So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing this faucet. Homeowner purchased this. It's been a while back, and this was an open box. So it's the Fixture Pasadena, and the existing faucet was completely corroded. Every piece in there from water damage was corroded. Most of it had to be cut out. So a lot of extra time on this one, but anyways, that's in, and nothing got damaged. Like I say, it is an open box, so and both the products are, we didn't provide them, so any you know, they're all under warranty, limited lifetime warranty. Fixture is real good about that, but anything wrong with the faucet, you know, as far as it being defective or leaking or whatever, unless it has something to do with the installation, then that's not our warranty. But it's the manufacturer. But like I say, they're real good about parts and whatnot, replacement. As you can see, what we did in here, this is what we did do in here. Existing shutoff valves, left them alone, didn't touch them. And then put some new braided stainless steel supplies in there because we had a problem with this point of connection on this side. They've got a little quick connect on the water, and we got some water out of it using these old PEX piping there, Quest tubing, and so we didn't want that. Looks like you still got a problem there. So something's going on with that connector, and it's their design, not ours, so it just slips over and tightens into place. There's nothing we can do to repair that outside of getting a new part from Fixture. So anyways, we're going to shut the cold water off because that's leaking, and we'll show you when we go to the next one. We'll show you the adapter that we'll show you the adapter for that, and we'll take another video when we get to the next faucet. So anyways, it's installed, we're in water down, everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done. So another quick video, and you can see that's the point of connection up here. It's just two little O-rings. Let's see if I can get a better light. So two little O-rings and an adapter. I wish I could get a better picture of that. There you go, right there. So that's what's supposed to seal it. That right there sits in this right here. And it's supposed to seal when you put it all together. That just goes up in there, and two O-rings seal it, and then the nut on top, that doesn't really, you know, you just cinch it down. You don't tighten it with a wrench. You just hand tighten it, and it's supposed to seal. Well, it's not. So we're gonna put some grease on it and see what happens. Worst case, you're gonna have to get a hold of Fixture and get a new cold stem, because it's all one piece. Outside of that, this installation is done. Yeah, we're still here in Fresno, California, and we just finished installing the second faucet on the left here. And so that's the one that we took a video previously, and like I said, you want to monitor that for any leaking on that cold side. We did put some grease in there, so it's dry right now, and we're running some more water down it, but just keep an eye on that connection right there. I went over it with the homeowner and showed her the way that the faucet is assembled, and it's price Fixture product. We've installed them before, haven't had any trouble with them, but so that one was leaking. Now it's not, but just monitor it for any leaking. This one looks dry. Everything looks good. You can see the connection here on the cold side, connection on the hot side. Then they have a quick adapter here, a little Y right there that goes up to the faucet itself, and new braided stainless steel supplies, and that was extra with no charge for that. But shutoff valves are yours, so that one's not shutting down all the way. That one shuts off pretty good. We're gonna make sure they're not dripping, and we're running a lot of water down here right now just to make sure that the trap is sealing correctly and that the drain assembly right here is sealing correctly, and we don't get any additional water. It's dried up down there and it's running full flow, so that's good. That's good. Additionally, underneath this, each spout is silicone all the way around the hole underneath. So I try not to get too much water up on there. These have rubber gaskets, the hot and the cold valves, and then same thing over there. It's a little rubber gasket down there, and then a little plastic gasket on top. This is just plastic gasket at the base, and of course silicone all around, so you can let that dry. But so it should be sealed pretty good. Just don't get a lot of water up on top of these. If you start doing that and you get, you know, water seeping through gaskets, you know, just because maybe the porcelain is a little, or the china is a little bit disfigured. But anyway, so everything looks good down here. Outside of that, this installation is done.